Oranges are often referred to as a superfruit due to their numerous health benefits. Here are 7 reasons why oranges are considered a superfruit. High in vitamin C. Oranges are a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for the immune system and helps protect against colds, flu, and other infections. Rich in antioxidants. Oranges contain antioxidants, which help protect the body from damage caused by harmful molecules known as free radicals. Good for heart health. Oranges are high in potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Help with digestion. Oranges are high in fiber, which is important for healthy digestion and can help prevent constipation. Low in calories. Oranges are a low-calorie fruit, making them a great snack option for those trying to maintain a healthy weight. Promote skin health. Oranges are high in vitamin C, which is important for collagen production and can help keep skin looking youthful and radiant. Versatile. Oranges can be eaten as a snack, used in recipes for both sweet and savory dishes, and their juice can be enjoyed as a refreshing beverage. These are just a few reasons why oranges are considered a superfruit, and incorporating them into your diet can provide numerous health benefits.